My name is Evan James. I'm the warranty coordinator for Long-Built Homes.
And I'm Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
We're going to show you everything you want to know about your furnace.
But first, let's talk about the warranty.
If you don't send in your online registration within 90 days of you closing on your home, you'll get a 5-year warranty on some of the parts. If you do the online registration, you get a
10-year.
Absolutely.
That's a lot more than 5 years.
That's double.
It is.
This is the propane shutoff for the furnace. Gordon's going to show you the filter.
It's a very easy pull off of the cover. And what I like people to do is buy 3 of them. And this is what they look like, these filters. You buy 3 at a time, they come in a 3-pack. You can get them on Amazon or any good plumbing and heating store. The size is right on the side of the filter, which is 16 by 25 by 5 inch. Now, in order to get it back in, it's a very easy slip in.
Now, Gordon, what's that airflow label over there?
Oh
What's that
my
mean?
goodness, the airflow means that you've got to put it in correctly. So, point the arrow toward the furnace because that's the direction of the airflow. So once it's in, you want to stick the cover back on somehow and just give it a little tap. Done.
How to get to the serial and model number.
Okay.
Now, this is where people run into problems. If you disconnect this has a kill switch in it.
So it will shut off automatically.
So it automatically shuts off. So you need to put the panel back on and lock it into place. The serial and model number are down here. Once you get that, simply put the cover back on, push it into place, and lock it into place. Otherwise, you'll be hitting us up saying you have no heat.
We've come across many things that you will not know about. One of them will be, you'll get a call that says, I have water underneath my furnace. Let's show you why you would have water under your furnace. Evan?
This is a condensation line from your furnace. We actually drilled it through your slab, which is 4 inches thick, and it goes right into your French drain. You never have to worry about it. However, from time to time, this does get clogged. If this happens during your 1 year, Gordon and I will come out, we'll cut the pipe, we'll put a union on there, and we'll leave it loose for you. So you could, if it ever happens again, you could simply take the pipe right out, clean it out,
Clean the line up.
and pop it back in, and you're good to go.
Right. Very good, Evan.
Thank you, Gordon. There's a kill switch on this. The kill switch is only for the technician to work on this. Unless you're having an absolutely catastrophic event, do not turn this off. If you turn this off in December, when it is 10 degrees outside, your pipes are going to freeze. Please do not hit us up with a warranty call for that. That is not covered under warranty.